Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing. I've reached financial independence, and I'm talking about topics that may help others on their pathway to financial independence. And the topic I wanted to talk about today is Roth IRA accounts, but for young people, and particularly for something to think about for parents who want to give their kids a head start in life. And I watched a podcast the other day that was just really talking about how being on top and really aware of Roth accounts is a great way to get a kid set up basically for life. And in order to, so kind of what he was talking about was doing a custodial Roth account for someone who's younger than age 18. And so this is something that a parent would set up for their kid. And, a Roth account is a great place to put birthday money and Christmas money and other, gifts from grandparents or something. And, if you teach the kids right, they can understand, the idea and concept of investing. Maybe you give them half the money that they get and the other half goes into these accounts. Now, you have to have earned income in order to put money into a Roth. And so if a child doesn't have a job, then a parent can create that job for them. And so, you have to be reasonable in what you pay them. But, if you're going to have a kid do chores around the house anyways, maybe you teach them to work and say, you're going to mow the lawn, you're going to tidy up these things, you're going to pull out the garbage, you're going to do all of, these basic things. You can also have them help with office stuff or house cleaning. And then you just kind of pay them a reasonable wage from that. You do need to do a tax return for them. But then once they have this earned income, then it opens it up to be able to put money into a Roth for them. So let's say, throughout the year, they've got $5,000 in earned income that, you might be able to do odd jobs, just lawn mowing in the neighborhood or weed pulling, or some things you can do for neighbors and some things not. But basically they need to have this earned income, and then as a parent you can put up to that amount that they earned into a Roth account. Some people suggest, hey, let them put in half the money and then you put in half the money and let that Roth account get started and grow. And some parents might want to just fund that account for them. And I know that there's some what they call college, I think 529 plans, where parents save into these accounts. I don't think you get a tax deduction by putting money into it, but the funds grow tax-free while they're in there. Well, that's the same thing as a Roth, because funds grow tax-free while they're in there. But with a Roth account, it doesn't have to be spent on education. You can pull contributions out of your Roth account anytime. So they could use it for college if they wanted to, but they could also just keep it. And this particular article said, if you can set up your kids with $35,000 by the time, they're in their really early 20s, and just put this Roth account, get it set up early in their life, then you can just let it stay there until they're 60, and then they'll be millionaires, just because you got $35,000 put into this account early on, assuming you've invested it into something like the S&P 500 or something. So that's really the power behind a Roth, is that it grows tax-free. And once the kids have that in their name early on, then it's just going to continue to grow. I did not do this for my kids. I kind of want them to make their own way, but I have taught both of my kids about Roth accounts. And my daughter is more of a saver than my son, and so she has a bigger Roth amount than he does, but they both have this Roth account. And why it's so good is because, as students, as younger folks, they really haven't earned enough to pay much in taxes. So they pay 0% on the money that they have. And if you can get that money into a Roth early in your life, as long as you don't need that funding, then it's going to stay there, hopefully for the rest of their life, and just keep compounding with investments that they have. So I have tried to teach them. They're kind of in their early 20s. They both have Roth accounts. They're their own Roth accounts, not custodial parent ones. But I've also tried to teach them about money market accounts and credit card points, and trying to keep their money in brokerage accounts instead of local banks, so that they at least get that, near 4% interest. But I'm, proud that we have done this stuff with the Roth. I've learned about the Roth, how good it is later in my career, and I've worked to get my own one set up over the past decade, and have been putting money into those so that I have that flexibility and capability. But as a parent, had I known or understood more about the Roth accounts, I probably would have opened up one of these accounts earlier for them and tried to funnel more of their funds to them earlier in life. And the markets have done really well over the past, decade, so that would have helped to set them up really well already. And so we have some funds in there. It's not 35,000 for each of them, but if they were at that level now, there's something called coast fire, which means, the earlier you get investments set up, those investments can just continue to work for you for your whole life. And you can just coast. You don't have to put any more into your retirement accounts, which gives you the ability to spend more in life. And so if you have about the $35,000 amount when you're young, 20, 22, 23, in a Roth account, you can basically retire on that when you're 60, just because you had that account when you're young, even if you save nothing more towards retirement. So that's kind of the power of investing early, getting into assets that are going to continue to appreciate. So that's something that I just thought, if you're parents out there, you've got kids kind of in the age 12 to 20 or something, getting them set up with a custodial account before they're age 18 is a way to get a Roth opened. And whatever they earn in income, that opens you up to the ability to put that much into one of their accounts as a Roth account. And once it's in there, it grows tax-free forever. So it's a great way to teach long-term investing to them. And Roth accounts are just really cool. So that's kind of the principle, something to learn about today. Really take a look at what a Roth account is. Roth IRA, it's a great thing when you're really young because you don't pay much in taxes anyways. So it's a good chance, a good time to put money in a Roth. Or if you ever have a year in your own life where you're not going to be making as much money, your tax rates are going to go down. And if you have some extra funds to put in your Roth accounts when you don't earn as much, that's a good time to put money into a Roth. If you're not earning as much, chances are you've got bigger problems in your life too. But if you've got a big emergency fund that you saved up and you lost your job or something, maybe that's the year to put more into a Roth account or something. So if you can, be safe. But it's just the tax game. Taxes are one of the biggest expenses in life. And so, if you can set your kids up so that they have this tax-free account, or if you can do that, then that's a good thing. So subscribe. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you all, and continue to throw out ideas that I think are useful for you. We'll see you. Bye.